Hey Squad, welcome back to my setup. Is it worth it? So for today's episode, we got this cool element around here, and basically what this is a shredder. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is actually pretty small and compact. So for the one that we got right here, allow you guys to shred up to 6 sheets of paper at the same time if you guys want to. And for this brand, they actually make a lot of different shredders. They do have bigger ones available that allow you guys to shred more than 6 sheets of paper at a time. But if you see on the package right here, they tell you guys what you guys can shred on here. So you definitely shred paper, credit card, clips, and staples as well. And if you guys turn on to the other side, they do probably got some more specs about the product as well. And that is basically everything that's on the package. Now I'm going to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, if you see the product is all well packaged, and they do have the protection layer that's on here. So let's take out the protection layer first. Once you guys take out the protection layer, right here we do have the product. If you see the product is actually really small and compact, so that way if you guys want to put it onto a table or something, you do have the option available. But pretty much inside they do provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here we do have actual shredder. If you see it's actually pretty small as well. And then right here we do have the bin that is used to store all your paper and everything when you guys do shred it inside. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm going to take off all the wrapper right here first. So for this test, I'm just going to use a bag that they provide for you guys for the actual bin itself. And when you guys take out the top part right here, you guys want to be careful because this part right here is sharp. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the middle part right here is where you guys want to put in the paper, your credit card, and etc. Top part right here, we do have the switch where you turn it off and on. So there's forward, auto, off, and reverse. Top part right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And they also have an indicator light to show you guys overheat and overload. And then for the top part right here, if you guys lift it up, they do give you guys a little handle for you guys to carry around really easy as well, which is pretty cool. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. So they do have some high quality blades inside to actually help you guys shred your paper. And the back part right here is basically the cable. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the part right here, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it. It definitely feels lighter than your typical shredders that are much bigger, like the one that I've reviewed in the past. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this onto the bin and set it up to show you guys what it looks like before I actually test it out. So you basically just want to put it on top. Just like that. And if you guys ever need to take it out, it's really easy. Just go like this. And that comes off so easily. And on the back of the actual shredder, they do have a little switch. So when you guys drop it down, you can definitely hear the click. So that click, if you guys heard. But once you guys do set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So now let's plug it in and test it out to show you guys what actually works and how it works. Alright, so we got the cable plugged in. Let's test it out. So first thing I want to do is to turn it on. So you can definitely turn reverse, auto, or forward. We'll do auto for now. And you see how the indicator light pops on right here. So let's try it out. So we guys put a piece of paper inside. It turns off by itself once you guys are done. If you guys want to do rewind, you guys can push it that way. If you guys want to do forward, and then rewind. So basically you want to use the reverse option only when you guys have something stuck inside. Otherwise you shouldn't use it because you guys don't need to. So if you guys try it one more time. If you see, the product definitely does work. If you guys are curious about what the inside looks like when it's being shredded, let me actually show you guys. Alright, so that is basically what the inside looks like when you guys do shred stuff inside. And when you guys are done using it, you definitely want to turn it off. And there's it all set. Alright, so now there's a quick test of the product. Definitely actually does work and actually worked quite well. If you guys notice when we use the product, it is pretty quiet. It's not that loud compared to a lot of other shredders out there. And the reason why is because it's so compact and minimal. It doesn't require a lot of power or motor or whatever, which is pretty nice. But one thing to remember about this one right here is the fact that when you guys do shred your paper inside, you don't want to put more than 6 sheets of paper. If you guys do want to put more than 6 pieces of paper, you do want to get a bigger and more powerful shredder. But for this one, it's super compact and minimal, so it allows you guys to use up to 6. And also love how easy it is for you guys to actually take out the actual bin and throw away if you guys do need to. All you need to do is just lift up the handle and just pour it out. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality shredder that's super compact and minimal, like the one that we have right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.